Have you ever looked down at your feet and really thought about what you're wearing? For decades, sneakers were just, well, sneakers. They were for sports, for the gym, for running laps. They lived inside the lines of stadiums and basketball courts. But then, something amazing happened. They broke free. Sneakers stepped off the court and onto the concrete, walking straight into the heart of culture. On the streets, they became symbols of rebellion, a silent language spoken by youth movements and subcultures. Think about it. The scuffed-up pair that showed you belonged, the pristine ones that showed you'd arrived. In the world of music, they found their rhythm. From the feet of hip-hop pioneers to rock and roll legends, sneakers weren't just part of the costume. They were part of the beat, part of the story being told on stage. They became synonymous with artists, and fans would line up for hours to get the same pair to feel a little closer to their idols. Then they leaped into the world of art. Designers and artists saw them not as footwear, but as a blank canvas. They became sculptures, painted masterpieces, and limited edition collector's items, blurring the line between fashion and high art. A simple shoe became a statement of identity, a piece of wearable expression. Suddenly, a pair of sneakers wasn't just about comfort or performance anymore. It was about freedom. It was a way to express who you are without saying a word. It was a feeling of belonging to a tribe, a community, a global movement. From the skaters on the halfpipe to the executives in the boardroom, sneakers connect us. They tell a story of where we've been and where we're going. So, the next time you lace up your favorite pair, take a moment. You're not just putting on shoes. You're stepping into a piece of history, a piece of art, and a piece of culture. You're wearing a story. What story are your sneakers telling today? Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through sneaker culture, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. We'd love to have you as part of our community. See you in the next one.